Purdue University has a global reputation for its excellence in research. Before great ideas can grow, seeds of support must first be sown. The Seed for Success Award is given in recognition of the accomplishment of those who have obtained a research award of $1 million or more from an external sponsor. Here's a look at some of the highlights from the 71 Seed for Success Awards for 2018. Purdue received the highly competitive National Science Foundation's Engineering Research Center designation for the Center for Innovative and Strategic Transformation of Alkane Resources, or CSTAR. CSTAR's goal is to develop the technologies needed to convert abundant U.S. shale gas deposits into transportation fuels and chemicals.
An engineering research center is such an important award because it allows a diverse group of scientists and engineers to work together on a problem that's of major importance for our country. I believe that the most exciting piece of this engineering research center is the opportunity to put together the best group in the world in our area and be able to solve a problem that's going to have a huge impact for our country.
With $3.5 million of funding from the National Science Foundation, Anayuta Karaba and a team of investigators are developing a new model to enable smart and connected residential communities that engages residents in understanding and reducing their home energy use while increasing their environmental awareness. Funding from a Discovery Park Big Idea Challenge grant gave the team an edge for securing this award from the NSF.
So this research is very interdisciplinary. The goal is to build energy-aware communities that can be scaled across the U.S. using advanced predictive models and user-interactive devices such as audio or visual systems. The unique feature of this work is that it will be implemented in actual houses, and the initial scope is to implement our models and technological solutions in more than 200 houses across the U.S.
The Center for Brain-Inspired Computing, or CBRIC, is a 5-year project supported by more than $30 million in funding from the Semiconductor Research Corporation, which provides funding from the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, better known as DARPA, and a consortium of industrial sponsors. The aim of the research is to design energy-efficient, smart devices that can interpret their environments and use reasoning to make decisions based on what they perceive.
You know, the interesting thing is that our center involves going all the way from really developing neurons and synapses, devices that can mimic neurons and synapses, all the way up to, for example, developing learning algorithms that can map into these underlying hardware.
Susan Sangha, a faculty affiliate with the Purdue Institute for Integrative Neuroscience, received a 5-year, $1.9 million NIH R01 award from the National Institute of Mental Health. R01 awards from the NIH are the basic building blocks that support individual faculty research programs in life science. This award enables the investigation of the neural circuitry of safety, fear, and reward cue discrimination.
It's important to understand how the brain is learning about cues in the environment that signify danger and reward and safety, because this type of learning is disturbed in individuals with emotional disorders such as post-traumatic stress disorder, where they have abnormal responses to cues in the environment that should signify safety, but they don't. They have a fear response instead.
Purdue received a $5 million grant from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This is Professor Ijetta's second grant from the Gates Foundation, designed to support African researchers' development of a pipeline for high-yielding, nutritious, disease-resistant, and drought-tolerant varieties of crops. The project plans to support private seed systems that will distribute high-quality hybrid sorghum seeds more effectively.
The grant allows us to engage these partners in the country and in the region. These, as I said, are universities, African research services, and also private individuals, because it's a huge challenge, and if successful, it would make a huge difference in the production and availability of good quality seed to ensure the continental food security in Africa.
Purdue has taken root as a thought leader for scientific discovery, providing fundamental economic, social, environmental, cultural, and health benefits that keep our world moving forward. Thank you to all those here tonight for your work in shaping our national preeminence and ensuring Purdue is a global thought leader in discovery and innovation.